Come test drive the 2016 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.